This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Karen Goulet. Wonderful investment opportunity in gated Bordeaux Condominiums. Ground floor 3 halves with current tenant. Corner unit with new air conditioner. Outdoor patio has wonderful courtyard views and access. Storage unit off the outdoor patio. Open floor plan featuring split bedrooms for privacy. The family room/dining area opens with sliders to the outdoor patio. Fabulous outdoor lighting brightens this entire space. Bordeaux Condominiums offers recently resurfaced community pool/spa area, new roofs and exterior painting. Also features clubhouse, fitness center, playground, dog park and on-site management. Easy access to major highways, shopping, restaurants and attractions. Call for your showing today. For more information, review the details below.